Sharky's manager held up and robbed. 2 killed in Spanish Town gun attack. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Saint Ann police are reporting that a night manager at Sharky's seafood restaurant in Salem, Renault Bay was held up and robbed of an undetermined sum of cash Monday morning. The incident reportedly happened as the cash was being prepared to take to the bank. The police stated that shots were fired, but there were no reports of injuries. The investigation is ongoing. Sections of Yonge Street in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, are now blocked following the fatal shooting of 2 men by gunmen this morning. It is reported that about 8:15, a group of men were conversing along Nugent Crescent and Yonge Street when they were attacked by gunmen who opened fire. When the shooting ended, 2 men were found suffering from gunshot wounds. They were rushed to the Spanish Town Hospital, where they were pronounced dead.